Is this brand new rechargeable Eureka vacuum worth it? That's what we're going to be covering in today's video. Let's try it out right now. Let's do one pass on the salt. Oh, look at that, dude. Look at that. We don't even need to do a second pass. That got up every grain. So you can see, just based on that, it does an incredible job with that. You know what? Let's just go straight. I'll do the show part first. Let's go ahead and go onto the carpet. And see what I love about it? It seamlessly works here, and then it seamlessly works here. And it's so lightweight, but it has this feeling. I mean, it's really cleaning stuff up. And I'm going to be honest with you, dude. We got some stuff going on in our lives right now. So, like, we got a lot of vacuuming to do. But this thing is absolutely working. Let's look. So this is a brand new vacuum. It's already capturing tons of stuff, tons of dust, hair, all that kind of stuff. It's picking it right up. You see it picked up that salt in one pass. That's incredible. I'm going to cover some other features of it, but is this worth it? A number one reason besides what you just saw, I actually think what we just showed you is probably the number one reason why it's worth it. This is a Eureka vacuum. It's not an Also brand. I'm going to be straight up. A lot of the Also brands are really good on Amazon, but sometimes you don't know. At this time, there are probably somewhere between a couple hundred and 5,000 rechargeable vacuums that are for sale on Amazon by different brands. I don't exactly know how many, but there are tons, dude. So you're trying to figure out which one is the right one to get, which one's worth it. Well, as you can see, based on the quality of the vacuum alone, this one's got a really, I mean, when you look at the number on the product page, one pass and it's getting the salt. I mean, that's a pretty incredible value when you look at the number. That doesn't even make sense. I mean, I love the lightweightness. Here's how easy it is to detach and attach. So this is just the unit right here. Incredibly lightweight, even with the battery pack attached. Just awesome. Actually, yeah, let's just go ahead and show. So you have two other attachments, and these could be great. You could obviously use it longer, but if you needed this, you could just use it in cracks and crevices. You could also use it in cracks and crevices in your car. Look how easy it is to just shift between attachments. This is another one I think that's going to be good for like maybe doing ledges and stuff like that, where maybe, you know, you don't want to get it like, you don't want to get it marked up. So you have that, the bristle there. That's kind of nice and soft. So we're effortlessly just like getting stuff off the ledge there. That's really nice. But currently selling over 1,300 units per month. This seems like the one to get. So 1,300 units per month are selling and already has almost 1,000 4.4 to 5-star reviews. So we're averaging 4.4 stars on this. Just for context, my brother and I buy tons of products and do product research all the time. What we've found is if you can find a good quantity of purchasers, leaving a good quantity of reviews, if you're even just getting 4 stars, you're typically in a pretty good place. This thing is averaging 4.4 stars all the way up to 5 stars. So very highly reviewed, very highly rated. People are absolutely loving it. That's the reason we got it. I think that's probably the number 1 to number 2 reason this is so worth it. You guys already watched the work that it does. Now you're finding out that it's worth it to many other people, which is the primary reason most people buy things. So right here's where we can charge it. All we do is we plug this right in there. That plugs into the wall. And this thing fully charged, I think it takes a couple hours fully charged. It fully charged, this thing will run for 50 minutes. So it's got a really good capacity. Maybe if you have a lot of cleaning to do. Last thing I wanted to mention is this thing does have a wall mount. Also, it sits like this. You can set it up like this. So we've got it there in use, and then we can just put it up like that, and it actually sets up by itself, which I think is really nice. This thing actually has a wall mount. It's got simple wood screw package that you can use to mount it to the wall in the back if you have a permanent place, maybe in your laundry room or something to stick it. And then all you do is it just hangs there like that. So it's very streamlined, very simple, extremely lightweight, but also it works really well. I think this is where vacuums are going. You don't need those weighty things that just take up a lot of space. Go with this one. I think it's worth it.